Achieving AI superpower status isn't just about writing clever software or building the latest models in Silicon Valley. You cannot innovate at the top alone. If you want to have this huge influence, you need control over what I call the entire stack, and I'm going to go through it. The first and most fundamental layer of this is an industrial and resource base. Then only you get to the second stage, which is supported by the foundation. You can think of this as like the engine of intelligence. Can you actually get to the intelligence layer? This is where you talk about the models and the applications. And it's when you have all of this, right? If you really want to get to the apex, become an AI superpower, you need to have transformative AI integration, right? You actually need to apply it within every sector of your economy and your military to have this strategic autonomy. And at every layer of this stack, it is supported by talent, capital, phenomenal amounts of capital, and the right regulatory environment.